Cool. Welcome into this video. I would like to take you through how you can fix WhatsApp not showing people who have viewed your status. So in case you are unable to see people who have viewed your status in WhatsApp and you get a settings reading like you just disabled showing people who have viewed your status in WhatsApp. This means you have turned off your revisit and you need to activate it back to be able to visualize the people who have viewed your status. So in order to fix this, you can just click this three dot and icon in the upper right hand side of your WhatsApp, then get into your WhatsApp settings again. Then you need to come to here we have privacy, then come to here we have read receipt. If it is turned on, if it is turned off, ensure you turn it on, and after turning it on, you have technically solved the problem of not showing people who have viewed your status in WhatsApp, and you can now easily be able to visualize the people who have viewed your status in WhatsApp. So basically, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumb up and also to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss out any of our future content like this. Thank you and God bless you.